Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll make some chicken wraps. Very healthy food. So just proteins, fibers. Yeah, very good. So for this recipe, I have some shredded carrots, some bean sprouts, some chicken that I actually baked in the oven. You can stay over the stove, but this is the chicken that's cooked. Cucumbers, cilantro, shallots, salt and pepper, a lime, some olive oil. I have some chili, garlic sauce, and some oyster sauce. So we'll start with the sauce. So I'm just gonna put it's very easy when you have all the ingredients, and I have the lettuce. So this is the lettuce. I have the lettuce washed and ready to go. It's honestly, it's the perfect recipe for appetizers, healthy lunch, and you feel so fresh. I think we need to get ready for the summer. So a good healthy recipe is always good. So I'm gonna put the shallots, honey. I'm gonna put some lime. So basically I'm making a vinaigrette. So you have some lime, some oil, honey to make it sweet. I think the lime brings this sweet taste that I really enjoy. So I think we're gonna go a little bit with the chili garlic. It's gonna be a little spicy. You can just put a little bit here. If you like spice, it's the perfect sauce. If you don't like spice, I think you can use some oyster sauce, just the oyster sauce, and it will work as well. So I'll put that, garlic. So you can make this sauce ahead, and it's actually better. You make it ahead, and because you have to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes for all those spices to blend well together. The cilantro, and I'm just gonna emulsify with the oil. So, and do this, yeah. So I remember I went to one of my favorite restaurants. I don't know if it's favorite, but I had this. I had something similar to it, and I felt so light and fresh after lunch, and I was like, I need to be able to figure out how to make a healthy chicken wrap. Okay. So I'll keep whisking. We'll let it sit for 20 minutes, and then when we come back, we're just gonna put it together. As you can see, I'm assembling everything here. So I'm putting some bean sprouts, some cucumbers, some chicken, and some carrots. And now I'm just gonna pour my sauce on top of it, like that. I like cilantro, so I'm gonna try to put as much as I can. Okay guys, so let's try this wrap. And sometimes you wanna put two lettuce leaves just to make sure it doesn't break on you. All right, but it's messy, you know, and it's okay sometimes. Oh, this is good. You have the vegetables, the chicken, and then the sauce with the cilantro. I love cilantro, but this is very good. I need to take another bite. There you have it guys. It's a very light, simple, quick recipe to make, full of proteins and vegetables. I think you will love it. Give it a try, and thank you for watching. I'll see you to the next episode. Bye bye.